The World Travel Awards World Tour 2014 has arrived in Greece. I'm Phil Blizzard, I'm in the centre of Athens. This is the famous Syntagma Square. Tonight, flowing with people, flowing with water, and we're here for the World Travel Awards. Athens is said to be Europe's oldest city, and looking down on it, perched atop of the Acropolis, is the Parthenon, the ancient temple, an iconic landmark and one of the most visited attractions. Another is the Parliament building, which attracts crowds of spectators, especially at the time of the changing of the guards. Just a short distance away, the oldest section of Athens is another major tourist attraction. The Plaka, in the shadow of the Acropolis, is a colourful melange of restaurants and souvenir shops lining the traffic-free streets. With tourist spend contributing billions of US dollars to the economy of Greece, it is indeed these economic drivers which are being recognised worldwide by the Oscars of the travel industry, the World Travel Awards, and Europe is no exception. And it's here on the Athens Riviera where the leaders of the European travel and tourism industry will be recognised at the glittering Europe Gala ceremony to be held at the Divani, Apollon Palace and Spa. I'm Phil Blizzard in Athens for the World Travel Awards and Breaking Travel News London.